In this session, we'll learn how to rename user IDs in the SAP system using the transaction SU01. Now, sometimes after creating a user ID, you realize that you have made a mistake in creating the ID. That is probably maybe the mistake could be that you did not follow the company's user ID naming convention, or while entering the user ID for creation, you may have switched a couple of letters here and there, and because of which the user ID is not matching as per the company's policies. Now, to correct the user ID, to correct this mistake, you have basically two choices. One is you delete the user ID and recreate it correctly, or you rename the user ID. Now, when the user ID is renamed, the old user ID is replaced by the new user ID in the system. That's like renaming a file. So when you rename a file, the original file does not exist, right? Whatever name, the new name you give, that becomes the name for that file. So it's similarly, same thing happens with the user ID. So whatever the new user ID you give, that becomes the user ID for the user. Now when you rename the user ID, the entire user master record, including the address information, becomes part of the new user ID. Now this is different from copying a user ID. In copying a user ID, the source ID as well as the target user ID, they both exist in the system. And when you copy, the address information is not copied by default into the target. Whereas when you rename a user ID, the address information is copied is included in the new user ID, and the old user ID is removed from the SAP system. Now, only thing that does not remain the same when you rename a user ID is the password. So when you rename a user ID, a new password has to be specified for the new user ID. Now, user IDs have to be renamed after very careful consideration, because let's say the user ID has been in use for a certain period of time, and then you realize your mistake, and if the ID has already been used and the user has created some data in the system, then it's not a good idea to rename the ID. In that case, you make a copy of that user ID and lock the original one. So when renaming is not something that you can do on the fly, it has to be done with a lot of consideration and carefulness.